The ongoing cost of Algorand is around 19 cents. According to our Algo coin cost expectation, it is estimated that the greatest cost for the coin might be around 47 cents with a base cost of 17 cents. By the time it is 2025, our Algorand cost expectation recommends that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of 75 cents. Simultaneously, the base cost may be around 52 cents. If the ongoing force proceeds and the Algo crypto can snatch consideration, it might cross the $2 mark by 2030. Our Algorand gauge demonstrates that the greatest cost might be $2.50, with a base cost of $1.50. The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market decline in May 2022. The Algo token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost forcefully tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some union, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 15 cents. In any case, starting from the start of this current year, the Algorand cost has been on a recuperation mode in the midst of positive market feelings. According to our Algorand cost forecast, the coin will carve out opportunity to recover its lost force and turn beneficial. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand is a cutting-edge blockchain known as Blockchain 3.0 for its imaginative utilization of irregularity to settle the blockchain trilemma, guaranteeing security, versatility, and decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Micali and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and business analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the state-of-the-art existence. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely versatile. Consequently, they authored the advantage of utilizing evidence of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its free blockchain framework with its agreement system and block validators, and make more youngster chains of its own. Algorand. The Algo token Algorand organization's group has created interface libraries that will be a trailblazer. The organization likewise brought an interesting token Algo that is presently a significant hit at the eminent trades coordinating the speed with other cryptographic forms of money. Vantage Algo. The huge potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the check of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the least charges. Algorand's shrewd agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be certain that the program ran without blunder and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, certainty, security, and cost viability. Algorand can consequently uphold custom guidelines and rationale, from essentially characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. Algorand are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and PyTeal, a Python language restricting. Algo coin is a digital money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary forms, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will generally send and get installments in their ideal cash by means of Algorand shrewd agreements as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. The ongoing cost of Algorand waits around 19 cents with a market capitalization of $1,393,720,988 with a flowing stockpile of $7,230,198,467 Algo. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change regardless. Sell Algorand at the obstruction level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This system can assist financial backers with making a momentary benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost expectation, how about we concentrate on the value history of the token? Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.70 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some combination, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The Algo value attempted to arrive at a similar level again threefold yet fizzle. Before the cost could recover force, the whole crypto market saw an accident, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upswing. Algorand value expectation 2023 as per Algorand expectation 2023. With any progressions in arrangements and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of cloudy days at its cost showing some opposition. According to our Algorand cost gauge, the coin could cruise smoothly around 33 cents with a greatest cost of 47 cents and least cost of 19 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play reliably. Algo Coin Value Expectation 2024. In the event that Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and essentials, the Algo coin could reflect gigantic development in the impending years. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of 59 cents, which is plus 43% to the most recent costs. Sometime, however, the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and light reach. In light of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 41 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. Algorand has proactively embraced the POS component and subsequently has gigantic development anticipated in the forthcoming years. The future value energy is really brilliant for Algorand. In light of our Algorand cost figure, a drawn-out increment is normal, and Algo exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the 75 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand forecast 2026. Having seen a gigantic DApp reception in the past pushed the cost of Algorand. The organization is very famous, with various undertakings based on it, given the headways are kept up with. The Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a greatest cost of 95 cents, which is plus 340% of the Algorand cost today. Algo Value Forecast 2027. With organizations and local area subsidizing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $1.18. Which is plus 450% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand estimate, yet without a doubt possible as opposed to expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost forecasts, the base cost of the coin might be around 82 cents. Algo Crypto Value Expectation 2028. In view of the expectations, the Algo coin might have a base cost of 96 cents with a most extreme cost of $1.38 for the year 2028. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token is supposed to be around $1.17 in light of our Algo gauge. Algo Value Expectation 2029. Of every 2029, the Algo coin is supposed to exchange a scope of $1.18 to $1.70, where the previous is the most minimal cost, and the last option is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, our Algorand cost expectation recommends that the typical cost of the token might be $1.44 all year long. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. As indicated by Algorand Cost Forecast 2030, the estimated crypto cost will exchange above $2 by 2030. The Algo coin will ascend to $2.16 by December 2030, addressing an immense upswing of plus 900% to the ongoing cost. As indicated by our drawn-out Algo cost forecast, the token is certainly not a wise speculation decision. With a 5-year venture, your ongoing speculation might be depreciated. The Algorand figure gauges the cost might hit 1 cent by long-term N. As indicated by our Algorand Cost Forecast 2023, the token is anticipated to cross a normal cost of 29 cents. The normal greatest cost of Algorand toward the finish of 2023 will be 36 cents, and the normal least cost will be 24 cents.